Tears, pain, you never left my side. You remained the same, and I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey everybody, it's Tayshawn Miller, and today I will be doing a review for the company Stema Hair. This is the company here. This is their box. So they reached out to me and asked me to do a review on their bob wigs. I guess they are a part of Aliex because at the bottom here it says Aliex. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It's just a regular box, a regular packaging. I guess you can use it to put some little accessories or something in there. It's not really that sturdy, but it's definitely a reusable box. Okay, so here is the contents. They sent me a jet black wig, like for real. All right, but anyways, so here is a pamphlet. I guess it explains in detail about the hair, yeah, tips and care and all that good stuff. They sent me a black deluxe wig cap and the initial unit itself. Well, which I'm gonna take the paper off, and I'm gonna take off this net. So here's what the lace looks like here. And it has a comb on the right, a comb on the left, a comb in the middle, and one in the back. And then it also has some lace back here. Now this is the frontal, the lace frontal. So there are tracks throughout this entire unit. This is like so black, y'all. But I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots. But before I do that, I do want to put it on the mannequin and let's just see how full it is. This is what the inside looks like. So everywhere where you see here, there's a track there. The tracking does seem to be a little bit thin, so I think I'm going to go in and add some pieces, maybe three pieces. So this is a 14-inch bob, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the mannequin, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I am back. I did forget to mention to you all that this is a middle part bob. So y'all know I do not even play with middle part anything, bob, sew-in, wig, regular hair, whatever. I don't fool with that type of stuff because I'm not a middle part person or anything. And I think I did maybe one or two times, however, no. So I just want to get in with the hairline and show you guys. It's pre-plucked, it appears to be a little bit. I am going to see if I can get this middle part out though, because I don't know if I want to wear that middle part, but it doesn't seem to be budging. So I don't know, I'm gonna wet it and I'm gonna see if it goes away. The hairline is pretty nice. It does appear to be pre-plucked. Let me see if it's any baby hairs. Oh, and it is some baby hairs. So yeah, there's baby hairs on here. Okay, so that will work. So that's gonna alleviate a lot of stuff that I have to do. Yeah, it's gonna alleviate what I have to do. The hair that I'm going to be putting in will be some hair that I had just laying around. It's number one, just like I believe this wig is, I wish this wig was a 1B. And y'all, please excuse my wig. I literally just set it on top of my head to do this video, child. I did not glue it down, spritz it down, spray it down. Nothing, as you can see. I just literally set it on my head. So, yeah, this appears to be number 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fill in. Let me see if I can show you. Let me see really quick, guys, if I can part it off really quick and just show you. Yeah, so I can show you really quick. So 1 whole row here. I'll probably do 1 up at the very top, like where the lace ends, and maybe 1 like down here. I really don't need any more volume back here. I'm okay. It's just up here at the top. So what I am using will be a 18-inch, just so that when I cut it, I'll get that volume that I have here with the 14-inch. And when I come back, I'm gonna come back with the wig on so you guys can see how it looks, okay? All right, so I'll be right back. Just going to go bleach this. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I am back, and I have made the alterations to my unit. I just literally added 2 double rows. So I added 4 tracks, which are double rows. So I did bleach my knots, and it came out pretty okay. With this hair being black, the knots didn't do exactly what I wanted them to do, but that's okay. This still looks very realistic up in here, so I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to cut off my lace. And I know you guys be wanting to see, but it's really hard to do that. I really don't want to mess up. Let me see if I can do it like this. And when you cut, I just try to go all kind of ways so that it's not, you know, super straight, but I don't want it too zigzaggy either. So, and you see how realistic that looks. So that's the reason why I try to color it as best I could so that it could, you know, show really good. The naturalness, naturality, making up words. Okay, let me get a close up of that for y'all so y'all can see that. Girl, yes, honey, yes. Okay. Y'all already know that smoke detector, child. I'm not never changing them batteries. I know somebody else watching this video got a smoke detector that need to be the batteries changed. So comment me in the comment section. And I don't have the combs and stuff in, of course, because I need to push my hairline back a little bit more over here. So I'm not gonna finish that side. I'll finish that side off camera. Y'all, I really love y'all so much. You see, I'm trying to make this work. Let's see, I just put the comb in just right then, just so I can. And whatever part of my hair that doesn't go in, I'll get it in. Because I'm going to put this down off camera. I'm just going to use some Got To Be. And I'll put another video if you absolutely have to know how I do it. I feel like I could have plucked it a little more over here. Because I did go in and just give it a little bit of pluck up in here. Just to make it look a little bit more realistic. So could have done the same for over here, but I didn't. Oh well. I feel like I'm messing this side up and not giving it that jagged look. You can also try a razor. I usually do that sometimes, but that could not be done here like this. I don't want to make a mistake and cut myself, so. I'd rather leave extra on and go back and cut it off if I need to, versus cut off and then I'm dragged up. And I'm gonna cut the lace off in the back as well. Oh, y'all cannot see. I think this is gonna be the last piece on camera. Oh, y'all know what? Something telling me don't do it, Mabel. So let me. So guys, here is my finished product, baby. And I must tell y'all, I'm in love. Like, I really love this unit. It's really soft. It's flowy, y'all. I got the comb on deck because I just can't stop combing this hair. I like the fact that it's not too bulky. One of the reasons why I am not a fan of wraps or bobs that's just like blunt or whatever is because I don't like how eventually the hair starts puffing up and it gets like full and it's like it doesn't look like any movement. I can't stand that stiff look. That's why I kind of work with layer cuts or things like that, so that even if it does get that look, it's layered. It doesn't look like just a blunt and boom, like boom, bam, boom, bam. Doesn't look like that. But this I absolutely love. I am feeling this front. Now I did go back in and just pluck it a little bit more just to give me that girl fresh relaxer look that I got going on here in the front. But it's definitely like popping. It's definitely something that I am in love with. And the part that I sewed in, I did go ahead and cut it a little bit longer just so that it wouldn't stop right here originally where it stopped at. Just wanted to just to have fun with the length, give me a little bit more length. And yeah, that is it. So I'm definitely loving this. So like putting on my glasses, because I do wear glasses, so like putting those on. But I love this Stema. Y'all really outdid yourself with this unit. I really appreciate you all for giving me the opportunity to review this unit for you all. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. This part is everything. I just put a little bit of my concealer on the part and that was pretty much it, just to help blend it in. Again, none of my edges is out, like none. I don't have any edges out, none. This is all this unit. It's beautiful. Like, I love it. Kudos, kudos, kudos to you. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it looks like from all angles, and I will see you beautiful, beautiful people in my next video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video for more videos, and I'll see you all in my next video.